here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need your new light. This is gonna attach to the box in your ceiling, and then you're just gonna match up the wires. There's a black wire already in your ceiling. You're gonna match the black wire to that wire. The white wire, you're gonna match to the white wire. And the bare copper wire, you're gonna match to the bare copper wire. You'll need a non-contact voltage tester to make sure the power is off. If your power is live, this will beep. Check. Nothing's alive. The bare copper wire to this green screw first. Bare copper wire to the copper wire coming out of the ceiling. And now we just match up the black wire from the light goes to the black wire in the ceiling. You wrap the wires around each other, and then you top them with this wire nut so that no extra wire is exposed. Match the two white wires, twist them around each other, twist on the wire nut. Now you're going to match the whole to the screws coming down from the mounting bracket, and then top it with these little decorative bolts. I like it.